Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to adding page number in Microsoft Word. Okay. First of all, insert many page number. Hold Control, press Enter. Again, hold Control, press Enter. Go to first page and insert tab. Click here. Page number. Select your page location or style. I select plain number 3. Okay. Mm, you type your page number on I or you skip the page number on go to different page. Okay, page number, format page number, start at 0, click OK, close header. Now see this, start page number 1 and page number 2. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.